In today's video, I'm going to show you that these pre-assembled log cabin kits have everything you need to build a rustic hideaway, whether it's a conventional, modern, or small home. Rugged and primitive, early American dwellings were the epitome of do-it-yourself projects. Using a log cabin kit, contemporary homesteaders can construct a new home with the same frontier charm. The pre-cut parts of log house kits eliminate the need for you to cut down your own trees, making them perfect for first-time home builders. However, make sure to check your local building rules, as some towns demand that kit home construction be supervised by a licensed contractor. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Log cabin homes. Log cabin homes is serious about wood. The LBM Journal has certified them as a certified green dealer, indicating that their personnel have undergone training and assessment in fundamental construction principles and eco-friendly building techniques. Additionally, they take care to utilize every component of the log, whether for landscaping, building materials, or other features, as part of their efficient log grading procedure. From the small Chesapeake cabin to the 2-story, 3-bedroom Buffalo Lodge, they offer a wide range of designs. Log cabin homes embody the spirit of the frontier, a symbol of self-reliance and a connection to nature. Originally built as simple one-room shelters with logs laid horizontally and notched at the ends to form a solid structure, these homes have evolved over time, but still retain their rustic charm and eco-friendly appeal. Today's log cabins merge traditional craftsmanship with modern amenities. They are often constructed from renewable resources, making them an environmentally sustainable choice for housing. The thick logs provide natural insulation, keeping the interior warm in winter and cool in summer, reducing the need for additional heating and cooling. The aesthetic appeal of log cabins is timeless. The natural wood grain, the scent of the timber, and the sturdy feel of the logs create a cozy and inviting atmosphere that many find irresistible. Whether nestled in the woods, perched on a mountain, or situated by a lake, log cabins offer a retreat from the hustle and bustle of modern life, a place where one can unwind and enjoy the tranquility of the natural surroundings. Number 2. Coventry Log Homes. Kiln-dried wood and cedar are used to create the more than 100 energy-efficient log home types that Coventry Log Homes, located in New Hampshire, provides, along with a variety of garage options. All the necessary materials, including subfloor, log walls, doors, and decking, are included in a standard kit, pre-cut, numbered, and lettered in accordance with the building blueprint. The logs used in Coventry's packages are pre-cut, numbered, and lettered at the factory to the exact specifications of the plan. This meticulous process includes all corners, window and door openings, and gable logs, which significantly reduces construction costs for the homeowner. The company sources the finest quality pine logs from within an 80-mile radius of their factory, guaranteeing a superior product. Coventry Log Homes stands out for its commitment to affordability without compromising on quality. They promise to provide the most competitive pricing on the market, ensuring that customers receive the best value for their investment. Their team of experts, with over 20 years of experience in designing and building log homes, offers unparalleled support throughout the planning, designing, and building process. Number 3. Conestoga Log Cabins. Conestoga Log Cabins offers a variety of log cabin designs that have been used in projects developed in all 50 states, whether you want to establish your own weekend escape or a permanent rustic house. Online, they are arranged according to size. Log dwellings larger than 1,100 square feet and tiny log cabin kits smaller than 1,100 square feet. Go large with the 2,312 square foot Alpine Ridge, the company's best-selling vacation property, or choose the 232 square foot Shenandoah cabin. The company's mission is to provide high-quality log cabin kits at the most affordable prices, making the dream of owning a log cabin accessible to a wider audience. Their team of project managers and designers is committed to excellence, ensuring that each cabin is crafted with precision and care. Conestoga's product line began with simple, solid structures designed for the campground market. However, the warmth and charm of their cabins quickly caught the attention of families who wanted to bring that same rustic appeal to their own properties. In response, Conestoga expanded their offerings to include primary and vacation homes for individuals, as well as a variety of commercial log buildings found in federal parks, church camps, resorts, and private camps. Number 4. Southland Log Homes. It may come as no surprise to you that Southland Log Homes is the biggest producer of log cabin kits and homes if you take the time to browse through the seemingly never-ending library of more than 300 log home and cabin plans. Luxury log mansions and ranch-style log homes are among Southland's designs. Their staff may alter any of them to your preference at no extra cost. Large picture windows, great rooms, and ranch floor plans are features included in a number of their log home kits. This is a picture of the 3-bedroom, 2-story Newburn model. At the heart of Southland's success is their dedication to offering a wide range of customizable log home plans. Whether you're looking for a cozy cabin or a sprawling estate, Southland's extensive catalog of designs ensures that there's something to suit every taste and budget. Their homes are known for their classic beauty, durability, and energy efficiency, making them a smart choice for those seeking a sustainable lifestyle. Southland's log homes are crafted from high-quality kiln-dried timber, which provides excellent insulation and a robust structure that can withstand the elements. The company's attention to detail is evident in every joint and groove, ensuring that each home is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also structurally sound. Number 5. Finger Lakes Log Homes, Inc. 30 years ago, Finger Lakes Log Homes, located in New York, began when its owner, Michael Griffin, constructed his own cabin out of pine trees that he cut to size using just a chainsaw and no other equipment. Griffin is still very involved in the owner-operated company, handling everything from forklift operations to material inspections. Since then, milling machinery and equipment have been added to the process to produce high-quality log paneling, beams, flooring, and more that are required to manufacture its kits. View the 3 primary kits, including the 1,280 square foot Cayuga Ranch House, online, and learn more by getting in touch with the team. The company prides itself on offering many affordable models, allowing individuals to choose from a variety of designs that cater to different needs and preferences. Whether it's a cozy cabin for weekend getaways or a larger, more luxurious log home for full-time living, Finger Lakes Log Homes works closely with customers to bring their dream homes to life. Number 6. Moosehead Cedar Log Homes. Moosehead Cedar Log Homes is a family-run business that has been building classic log homes out of pine, spruce, and cedar for over 25 years. Along with 63 standard packages, the New York-based company also provides custom design services. Standard packages start at less than 375 square feet for a 3-room hunter cabin and go up to 3,995 square feet for the affluent Bridgewater, a 2-story home with 3 to 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. The company's expertise lies in creating log cabins out of various types of cedar, as well as pine sourced from local loggers. This ensures that each log home is built with the highest quality materials that are both durable and aesthetically pleasing. Moosehead Cedar Log Homes is dedicated to helping customers achieve their dream of owning a log cabin, whether it's a quaint retreat or a full-sized family residence. Moosehead's approach to log home building is comprehensive. They assist customers with everything from finding and purchasing land to designing the floor plans and architecture of the cabin. Their commitment to customer service extends to the final touches on the new log cabin, ensuring a seamless experience from start to finish. Number 7. Golden Eagle Log Homes. There are several sizes of log home kits available from Golden Eagle Log Homes, ranging from the smallest to the largest. If you would prefer not to build yourself, they even provide construction services. You can get a kit for a log home and choose between quarter and half logs, full logs, or concrete half logs. Or you can choose to pay a little bit extra for a custom home package. The company specializes in fully constructed residences costing between $700,000 and $10 million. Golden Eagle's dedication to affordability without sacrificing quality has made them a go-to choice for many aspiring log homeowners. Their homes are designed to be energy efficient, with the natural insulating properties of logs providing a comfortable living environment year-round. The company's website features a gallery of floor plans, virtual tours, and a wealth of information to help customers make informed decisions. Golden Eagle Log Homes also encourages potential clients to visit their model home, which serves as a testament to the craftsmanship and beauty of their work. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!